Good morning, class and teacher. My name is John Sebastian Anzola. The topic I am going to the about is the 2006 war to mate in the Germany. Interaction recursor of for geography of the FIFA World Cup 2000 to 2006 Germany and the organization country and its sake. After undergoing introduction of the paper of the FIFA World Cup in the eye on the globalization, the percentage and the articulation as articular around to access in the first place unlike country hosts the FIFA World Cup the World Cup Germany 2000. We come in line on the analysis of the main records about Germany for connecting are of fresken of the data based on the history of the governmental geographic economic organization mass medium news agents and connection on the information they are being generation mid be on celebration on the FIFA World Cup. Or the secondation we happen to analyze the different electric recurse of over iPhone 12 seats host on the different electronics records of head on the front two seats of the FIFA World Cup. Connection to information of a city, like a ride and moving or connected to maps and why outsets to the different web page they offer information on the state host the FIFA World Cup as well as access to Germany's soccer teams on the professional league on the Bundesliga who play in the of the city's house um, with the media the media generation in the important change in the ways and the training, education outside and above of information observe the emergence of the new popper in the 15th century and later radio, cinema and the watch TV and information and communication technologies not only allow news in the reach different as as of very moment on the event occurs, the first circle, catch and the begin and affect in the event if they do not happen on city or country, we worry about it they instead of affection and life or happen or how. Uh, the media or the serve mostly in relation they they have more refringe the concept of the time on the space on my part of the university that they are rather so away the medium way from countries that never visit or the event of the begin and the learn about. stands